Good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So, activity project for 6th, 7th, 8th class, it means which is not a part of your portion or it is not a part of your textbook. This units, it is reduced. Class 6th, unit 6th and unit 8 only you will get activity and project. No need of lesson, but we have already completed unit 6. Okay, unit 8 is also no need, only activity or project, no need of the lessons. Okay, which is not a part of your syllabus. That is in 8th unit, half the price, the Sheikh's white donkey, it is not a part of your syllabus. Whereas 7th class, unit 7th and unit 8th, it is not a part of your syllabus. Okay, only activity and project. Class 8th, first humanity 3rd unit and 4th unit science and technology, which is not a part of your syllabus. Okay, so it is not a part of your syllabus and questions will not come from these units for all 6th, 7th and 8th class. Okay, any passages or anything which not come from this one, only activity and project. Okay, so now let us go for some fill in the blanks, a basic grammar, that what I have given from all the units, the basic one. I prepared some few questions to you based on that. See the first one. Basic grammar, first question. He and she dash watching a movie now. Now options are A. Based on these tenses, I have prepared some few questions based on tenses, preposition, conjunction and all. And B option is R. See, here it is mentioned about two subject, he and she. What they are doing? They are watching a movie now. Now means what? In the present. So, were is used in the past sense and are in the present. So, he and she are watching a movie now. So, what is the correct answer? R. Second one, based on this, let me give one more example. He or she watching a movie now. Now here examine these two example. Options for the second one are R and B option is. Here he and she, it means both of them are watching a movie now. Here he or she, anyone. So what we are going to use is he or she is watching a movie now. Now means what? In the present sense. Okay. So third example, he divided his property dash his two sons. A option is among, B option between. Now what is the correct answer? He divided his property dash his two sons. Only two sons are mentioned here. So for two persons between, more than two persons among. He divided his property between his two sons. He divided his property between his two sons. Next example. Next example, he is very weak. He is very weak. He dash anymore. Options are cannot walk, and B option can walk. Now examine this example. He is very weak. Okay, so he cannot walk anymore. He cannot walk anymore. Next example. How dash you dash this puzzle? Options are can be solved. B option can solve. See, what is the correct answer? How can you solve this puzzle? How can you solve this puzzle? Okay. Next example. How many kites dash in the sky now means what? In the present. So you have to choose the option in the present. Is it or not? So are flying, B option are fly. Now what is the correct answer? How many kites? Here kites, which is in the plural form. Is it or not? It means more than one. So are flying. How many kites are flying? How many kites are flying in the sky now? Next example. See, I dash speak English I dash speak English now. Now here possibility. Here it shows the possibility. So can speak or A option. B option am speak. Which one is the correct? I am speak English now. I can speak English now. Possibility. So I can speak English now. So next example, I am also your friend. I'm also your friend. Would you invite me? Would you invite me dash in your birthday. In your birthday. Options are in. B option is preposition. This example preposition. I'm also a friend. Would you invite me in your birthday? Next example. I have yet options. To solve this question, I never lose hope. I never lose hope. Option are A, I have few option. I have yet few option, or I have a few options. A few. I have yet a few options to solve this question and never lose hope. So these are the few examples that what I have prepared for you. Okay. Then whatever the remaining lesson will continue in the next classes. Thank you.